I tested these three tools. They saved me a lot of hours of the week. If you are someone who have a calendar full of meetings or tasks, or you are struggling to find time for yourself, if you are someone who have got a very busy schedule, or you are a solo entrepreneur, you are a creator who needs some adjustments in their time frames in their day, I'll show you these three tools which can help you do that very efficiently. What you're seeing on the screen is a tool called Reclaim AI, which is powered by Dropbox, and it's an AI calendar management that protects focus time and schedules everything around your priorities. It can block your time and it can schedule smartly, as you can see. I will show you how you can do that. It can also sort everything by priority. Today I am recording this on my gaming session, which is not ideal. I should be gaming this time, but I will show you how you can add tasks as well as your habits, focuses, your buffers, as well as these, as I said, tasks. It can also schedule links for the meeting. So it have a lot of features you can see. So if you go here in focus, you can edit your focus time. For now I have set to 25.8 hours of focus time, and it can suggest 14 hours of focus time every week, etc, etc. You can edit the focus time using this. How many hours of focus time is your goal, and you can title it as focus time, working hours, meeting hours, personal hours, whatever you want to select it from the calendar, and you can set it and save it. For now I have set my, if you go to planner, you can see the focus times, which is, I have set it. These are office hours that I have set, as these are green. These are my focus times. And in habits, you can also say you want to walk. I say I walk every 45 to 30 minutes at 9:30 p.m. I gym every day 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours, which is ideally I do for 1 hour and 30 minutes at 7 a.m. I have a lunch, I have gaming. These all are my habits that I have set. So you can also set the priority, like gym is critical priority, walk is critical, gaming is medium priority. You can change it from here, and lunch is also a very critical priority. So if you do all this, and also you can set the buffer time. I have not set it. Suppose if you are going here, and if you see after gym, it starts directly the light work, analyzing traits and everything. So you can set a buffer time of half an hour here. So it will also keep in count that the buffer is also there. You can set all the buffer times, and it will set the calendars accordingly. So you have, at this point of time, you have set all your focus, you have habits and your tasks. And then what happens? It gets you everything sorted out. So as I said, the critical tasks are all in red, which cannot be moved. They can be logged. Yeah, like dinner, it's logged, walk. Suppose, let's see the power of reclaim. That's what I like about it. I'll show you. Suppose you've got a new task. New task is, there is a client meeting which popped up on Tuesday in your grocery time, suppose, and it will last 1 hour, and we set these. It comes within working hours. That's fine. You can set the due date as for let's see 13. We are going to do it by 13/6. All right, we can create it. What it will do, it will schedule the client meeting accordingly. Here you see there's the client meeting which have already been rescheduled after lunch at 1 to 2. There we go. That is the power of AI calendar system. You can create as much task as you want. You can even adjust it. If you don't want the client meeting to be here, you want them to be in the miscellaneous work, you set it, and one change to sync. Let's sync it. Let's see what it does. Syncing. And now the miscellaneous work is divided into 2 parts, and it has set the client meeting at your desired time, and it have logged it because you have manually placed it right there. We have a coffee break, we have the groceries and everything else. So office hours have extended, which is not ideal. Also, I have established that 15 hours of split office, minimum 1 hour to 3 hours into the whole week. Whole week I can work only 15 hours. That's it. That's my priority, and I have established that in the Reclaim AI. I would suggest you highly give this a try. It will really change your day. It will really change your mind, how you do or schedule things. It will really impact your life, and this will help you gain some hours back from your week. Our next tool is Trevor AI. It again syncs the calendar from your Google Calendar or your work calendar, which is Microsoft Calendar or Outlook, whatever calendar you use. Personally, I use Google Calendar. That's why it's showing the kind of same data here and there. So we are here. We are again in our gaming time, recording this video, which is not ideal. The gym comes first. There's that. Suppose I have already added a task. From here you can write whatever you want. Let's see, team dinner. Let's say okay, it will add client meeting and a team dinner. Add a scheduling queue. You can also add it to the queue, and you can put a due date on this. Let's see, you can put 13 is our due date. It already suggests team dinner can come here and there on the miscellaneous task or in groceries section. You can do the team dinner. Also, there is a view. You can view by daily. You can also view by monthly, what we were seeing in the Reclaim AI or any other calendar for that matter. And there's a weekly view. I like it 3 days or weekly. That's fine. No more than weekly is a clutter for me. All right, so we have set it up. It's today, tomorrow, 4 p.m. We have a team dinner split it into 2, which we do not want. So it's not a repeatable. So today only, I have kept the team dinner today and it kept it here. That's it. I can also plan my day. There is a client meeting. If I select plan my day, it's gonna move the client meeting here and plan it for me. It has suggested I can click OK and it will set the client meeting here. Now, if you want to adjust the client meeting into somewhere else, like suppose you want to you want to put client meeting in office hours, you can put it. It will resync it. It will adjust it, and it will say that it's rescheduled for Tuesday 4:45. Cool. And office hours, it's split up. This is also a cool one. I mean, it's okay if it's a budget friendly. It supports free plan. You can add tasks. It's the same thing. I like this as well. It's clear. It's nice. I can adjust things here and there. I'll mark it as is, and I will move it somewhere. Let's see. Let's have a team dinner on 14th. Then it will adjust it accordingly, the whole calendar. But I didn't find the UI to be very appealing, to be honest. And it's a very simple one. It doesn't have much to offer here. It's a simple one, but drag and drop function works. It can plan and turn your tasks, plus calendar, realistic daily schedule. It can do everything. The main feature of this guy is this button, plan my day. It can plan accordingly to your task and to your already established Google calendar. So there is one more tool called Clockwise. It also does the same stuff, same thing. Clockwise is an AI calendar optimizer that recognizes your schedule to maximize focus times and reduces context switching. The main feature of it is it comes with an chatbot as well that you can get just right next to your calendar. The problem with this tool is that it's only for organization. If you are on a managerial level, if you have a lot of meetings, you have a lot of calls, I find it best for that only. Also, you cannot log in with your personal account. You need to have a work account for this to work. So that's one downside. So I am omitting this option from the list. So we have only 2 guys to compete. There is one more tool which is I'm not including in the list because it is not free. It's called motion.ai. So the problem with Motion.ai, it's very cool, it's awesome, but it doesn't come with a permanent free plan. It comes with a 7-day trial plan. Then you have to buy a plan, and the plan prices are very steep. It starts with $19 per month, which is very, very high in comparison with Reclaim or Trevor or even Clockwise. So if you are a solo entrepreneur, content creator, influencer, or any kind of creator or a businessman, and you're juggling with a lot of tasks, believe me, the best one for you is the Reclaim.ai. I use it a lot, and the free plan works very well. You don't need to have a business plan for that. Very simple. You just need to add your habits, your focus time, your tasks, and your buffers, and it will plan your day accordingly. Then you can reschedule by moving the cards here and there. It's very fun. It's cool to see live update on the calendar, obviously, and yeah, it works very good. I would suggest you give it a try. There is a Trevor, but I don't find that very intuitive. I'm sure this video will be helpful because you found few tools that can save you hours for the week. And for me, the best one is Reclaim.ai. If you want it, you can visit the link in description. You can register there, and if you haven't claimed your free AI starter kit, which can improve your life day by day, you can get it from the description as well. If you like this one, hit like and subscribe to the channel, because I am creating a proper AI workflows every week. My mission is to provide AI to every individual, techie or non-techie. I create no code videos for you. And if you like my content, consider subscribing. My name is Akash, and this is 10x Solo. I'll see you in the next one.